What's up guys, today I'm going to work on 2013 Toyota RAV4. Going to replace the shocks, front and back, sway bar link, the rear rotor. We're not going to replace the pads. It's brand new but it's a little bit groove. For inspection we're going to fail, so I'm going to replace this one. The shocks, not that much hard. I'm going to show you two. I'm going to do both of them on that side already done. Here's the parts. This one's the on that side, this one's front, back, the spare bar link, that one. Going to do rear and back, the spare bar link, and the build rotor and AC, the cabinet filter and the air filter. It's not that much hard, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. My dream car is almost there. This video's out, check it out if you want to see the Lincoln. It's my friend car. This one's my friend car. There's too many cars. For sure going to bring them, some of them out on this month. This one's June. Hopefully going to take at least 1, 2, 3, 4 cars or 5 cars, hopefully. But that video is different. The V is not done yet. If you didn't see that video, I don't want to talk too much. Let us finish this one and let me put other car and buy some parts for that one. I'm going to work on this one. That one's different video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's do this car. Okay, for the bolts, this one's 22, I believe. I believe it is 70mm for this one. And then we have to take this one. I believe 12 or I think it's 12mm. I'm not sure over here for the ABS and brake line. You have to take that one off. And then what else? And then the top one down here. I don't know if you can see this. 3 of them. It is 40mm. But for now, that one leave it and let us take this one apart, and then I'm going to worry about that part. Sometimes this one for the Allen key, sometimes it will slip. I'm going to torch the entire part, but let us stop talking and let us work now. I'm going to do time lapse because it will take Okay guys, from the down there's done. Now we're going to do the 40mm for the AC and the brake line. It is 40mm. Up here is 40mm. Going to use the old bolts. It's very easy. The front one, the rear one, it's easy too. Don't complain. I saw different cars. There's harder. Sometimes when you do this one, the shock, the front one, you have to take this one, the wiper blade covers. It depends on the car. Okay, almost there. Now we're going to do over here, but let me go bring it down here. Okay, let me take it off from here. It's almost out. Okay, we're out. Here it is, the old one. And bring the new one and put it in. The front one will hold it now. It's very easy. The right one, a little bit tricky, but it's easy too. Alright, here's the new one. And put it in. Just put some of the bolts in. Okay. Very easy. Let me turn down here. You have to turn this one over here. You don't have to worry, you just turn this one. Okay. Let me bolt it in from here and then go through under there. Alright, let's put this one in. Just lift it and then go to send it in. If the axle's out, it's hard to put it in. So yeah, you might to take the bolts off from the axle nut and push it in. Last time I did like that, so I'm going to do it again. Okay, now I'm going to put it in. That's perfect. So slide it in. Okay, we're in. I have to go up and make it ready some screwdriver to slide it in. Otherwise, it'll be heavier for me. Okay, we're in. I'll put it like this, and then I'm going to make it ready my bolts. It'll be much more easier if you do it like this. But you have to lift it. Okay, I can use the gun to put it in. All done. Now can put the bolts, the axle bolts, everything. And then I'm going to hold the 22, and that's it. Very easy, the front one. Going to do the back one now. Alright guys, all done on this side. Let's go on the back side, finish that one. So I want to explain before I do it. So we're going to take this one first. This one down here, 40 millimeter, 70 millimeter down here. You have to take this one, 70 millimeter, 70 millimeter. Before you took this one for the shock, first take this one because the bolts will be blocked by this one over here. So take this one over here, 70 millimeter, but you have to go down, hold this one, the spring will jump on you, and then you have to hold 70 millimeter on this side for the shock, on this side 70 millimeter, down here, inside here, and then yeah, that's it. I'll do time lapse on here. Alright guys, so I have to replace this bushing over here. This one, the bolt was spinning inside. I cannot take it off, so I cut it off. I ordered the bolts from Toyota dealership and the bushing from AutoZone. Will be here tomorrow, hopefully. If it's not, that one have no issues. I was planning to finish it, but now I'm stuck. I'm going to replace the rotor. I'm going to press on that side, but I'm going to take this one off and leave it for today. And on this side, it's all done. Everything's in. Now I'm going to do the filters and the belts. I'm going to take these two of them off, and then I'm going to do it from here. It'll be hard to record. The tensioners over here, it's not that much hard, I would say, but it's not going to be easy to record for you guys. Yeah, so I'm going to replace it. I'm going to open over here, it's not that much hard. Open it down here, and it's open. I mean, it's not dirty, but I'm going to replace it. It's not that much hard. Open it and take it off. It's very easy to take it off, but I have only one hand over here, so hard for me to take it off. But see, the AC compressors, the AC for the cabinet filter is easy too. It's hard to record. Let me take the belt off and replace that one. It's the easy one to do. Alright guys, I got the bushing and the bolts. The bushing I got from AutoZone, and this one I got from Toyota dealership. So I'm going to replace it. This one already, there's too much free play too, and then going to have some tools for that. For the bushing I got it for other car and I have now. It is good to have it. It is expensive, but I got it fast. I got it before this car. There's other car I did RAM 1500. I was working on that one and I needed it, so I ordered it. But I got, there's a cheaper version of it than this one. So let us do it only on this left because of this one. Yesterday I could finish it. Now I'm going to take this one off and then take the tools inside and then take it off. It's not that much hard. I believe this one take the bracket. It is, I think it is 70 millimeter. I'm not sure. Okay, for the bracket it is 70 millimeter. Going to tear apart. I have to do it to take that one off. Using our new gun. Take it off. There is one. There's two of them. And then this, the nuts damaged inside somehow, so I'm going to cut it off and put new one. I have extra, so I can use that one. Now let's put the tool and let us take it out. First let us take the inside one. Why does this still doesn't come out? Okay, she came out. Why doesn't come out? I don't understand. Nothing happened with it, but somehow it doesn't come out. I think the rest inside. Okay, let's put our tool. She's not coming out. I'm stuck same time. Oh, that's bad. I guess I'll chisel it out somehow. Let's try that way. Hopefully it works. That one, my tool's already stuck. That's bad news. It says we can use different for this one. Hopefully we're not damaged. You can use different version. That's small version. Okay, this one works fine. Alright guys, so all done. I replaced the bushing over here and the bolt, and then the nut I have to replace it, so I cut it off. I replaced that one, but it is not welded in. I cannot weld it over here. Only I could do that, but I don't want to do that. So I replaced all done. I did replace the rotors only. The part's good. Front one's good too. I replaced the belt, and I did cabinet filter and air filter. That's it. So I'm now going to put it back. So thank you for watching. There's more videos coming out. Stay tuned for that video. Until next time, bye.